This is going to be our last night here in our condo. Ito pala yung itsura ng room namin kapag wala yung mga gamit. And ganito na namin siyang iiwanan. So, ito may mga curtains pa, tapos meron dalawang wardrobe dito. Hindi na namin siya dadalhin, iiwanan na namin siya para dun sa magiging renter namin. Nakaligo na yung baby Sian namin. Ready nang umalis. Fresh na. Babay na Sian. Babay na tayo dito. Bye, house! Bye, house! Sobrang puno ng sasakyan namin. Aayusin pa namin kasi pipick upin pa yung mga bike doon sa bahay nila mama. Let's see how it's gonna go. Let's go, bossing. Ayan, na-pick up na namin yung tatlong baby ni Erwin. Ano, dad? Secured na ba? Good secured. Yeah. Na-figure out na namin ng matino kung paano maiayos yung mga gamit dun sa kotse. So, kahit pa paano lumuwag na kami. After 7 months, ngayon lang ulit ako sumakay sa harapan ng sasakyan. Kasi meron na kaming butler!
Hey, ma!
Bye! Yan.
Yes!
Dumaan muna kami sa kanila para magbabay. Saka mag-trick or treat. Ang target natin na first stop is to Saint Marie. It is 695 kilometers and will take us 7 hours and 22 minutes. Daddy.
Let's go!
Ang driving plan namin is that we will be driving for 3 days and then 2 nights mag-i-stay kami sa hotel. Hopefully, by day 3 bago maggabi is makarating na kami doon sa apartment. Dito na tayo sa ating first stop. Dito tayo sa on-route Barrie. Dito sa Canada, yung on-route, parang ano sa atin, yung mga stop sa NLEX, ganyan. May mga stores, tapos may washroom.
You also get cream sugar on the side, mother.
Dito yung coffee ni Mama. Okay, biyahe ulit. Chine-check lang ni Bossing just to make sure na safe ang ating bagahe. Tapos, since nag-stop over kami, magto-torque lang si Erwin nung mga tires just to make sure. A week ago, kakapalit lang nung brakes. And ito pa lang yung pinakaunang biyahe. Walang sasakyan. Kami lang. Andito na kami sa Saint Marie, finally. Yan, pagigising ko lang. Nakatulog na naman ako. Gusto kayo dyan sa sa business class.
Dami namin ulan.
Malambot na malambot, Uy! Ba?
Tahimik siya sa papel.
Nalibang ah. Nalibang ba ang baby namin? Ah? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Toothless.
Topless vampire.
Hi, Toothless. Toothless! Stop over kami dito sa Shell to get gas and also to go to the washroom and inat-inat muna. May snow na dito.
Finish now!
Nagkakad pa ako tulog.
Finish now!
Nagtitignan ka ba ng halo-halo?
Good morning guys, it's 11 AM. Andito na kami sa Lake Superior. Dinire-diretso na ni Erwin. So mula 11 PM kagabi, and now it's 11. So he's been driving for 12 hours. Hindi na siya nagpahinga. Adik yan. Target is makapunta kami sa Thunder Bay, which is like 5 hours away from here. So hopefully makarating kami doon around 4 o'clock. So dito medyo malamig na and makikita niyo yung daan, may mga residue na ng snow. Because the weather outside is -4 but feels like what?
-7.
-7. Yeah, feels like -7. Okay, stop over ulit tayo.
Favorite
Dito
spot
tayo
namin.
sa favorite spot namin because this is one of the places na nag-shoot kami and nag-trending si Sian because he was so cute.
Look! Sian was here! Ito yung last time na nilagay ko dito. Oh my God.
Ginamit niya yung keys niya. Are you having fun on our trip?
Oh yes.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not sure.
Stop over ulit tayo dito sa City of Marathon. Punta tayo sa Pebble Beach. We're here at Pebble Beach. Let's go! Where is Sian? Where is Sian? Where's my baby? Walking. Wala pang like mga 2 minutes walk lang, no? .46 na. Almost 6 p.m. Nasa daan pa rin kami. Pero good thing is 6 minutes away na lang kami sa hotel. Malapit na kami sa katotohanan. Yung asawa ko, bangenge na.
Okay.
Anong pangalan mo?
Raul.
Raul. Ano apelyido mo?
Lo.
Raulo. Nakakuha kami ng hotel dito sa Thunder Bay. Tapos, before kaming pumunta doon, across the street, nandun yung Mary Brown. So, bibili na kami ng food para pagdating namin doon sa hotel. That's it. What time is it? It's Ligo time! Who wants to Ligo? Ikaw? Ako. You want to take a bath? Let's go, Ligo. Before we go to bed and before we end up this day 1 vlog of our moving to Edmonton trip, I just wanted to tell you what we accomplished today. We traveled a total of 1,385 kilometers. That is a total of 14 hours and 42 minutes straight drive. Good job, Daddy Driver! So it's almost 9 in the evening. We're gonna go to bed and get a lot of rest because we surely needed it. We just wanted to show you guys our phone case. Pella Case sent this to us. We got our little initials for mine, and Erwin got Sian Castor's name on his phone. It's really cute. Thank you very much, Pella Case. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.